Hey Improving Fit team, happy Friday. Today we're introducing a new weekly series. It's called Feature Friday. And in Feature Friday, we're going to be taking you into the software and showing you how the different features are working. And today is our first post for Feature Friday. It's called the 4 Account Types and Managing Multiple Facilities. And in this post, we're going to teach you how to log in as a facility, as a member, as an instructor or trainer, or as a front desk representative. Our software makes it really simple to manage multiple facilities if you have different locations, and also it's incredibly easy to implement with your staff to get them all set up and doing their various responsibilities. So let's go ahead and get started with Feature Friday. Here we are at the group fitness screen. We're going to go ahead and log in as one of our clients because she has a lot going on with her accounts, to give you a better example as opposed to the Improving Fit account because it won't have as many options. So here you see you would have a normal login bar at the top here, and you would just input your email and password, standard login features. But if it recognizes that your email address is associated to multiple accounts, it's going to bring you to the select account screen. If you don't have multiple accounts, it will take you right where you need to go. But if you do have multiple accounts, it's going to take you here and it's going to give you the option to pick between them. And as I said before, there's 4 different options to log in, and this account has all 4 of those, but it also has the ability to manage multiple facilities. So that's why you see so many different accounts here. So we're going to select one of the facilities and go ahead and go into that account. Now that we're here, we see the schedule that is going to be for this facility and showing up on their site. And so now we have the options to basically go ahead and build and create that schedule. If you look at the sidebar on the right, you have the ability to view the schedule, get the code so you can put the schedule on your website or edit the schedule right here. You also have the ability to view your center's page and edit the information related to that page. Here's where you would schedule a new class or a new series of a class, and also the ability to edit the classes that you already have created. Here you have the ability to get a list of your members and interact with them. Here is your staff and how you would manage their pages and information. And finally, the billing and sign-up options are in the billing section at the bottom. And each one of these 4 different login options will have a full Feature Friday for. So right now, we're just giving you a quick overview. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and come up here next to where it tells you how you're currently logged in, and we're going to go ahead and switch. If we wanted to switch to a different facility, obviously we could do that very quickly and easily if this is a change that you're making to multiple different schedules. But we're going to go ahead and log in as a member now. As a member, you get a basic welcome screen. It's going to show you your upcoming classes and the classes that you've been to. You can go ahead and click on your facility that you're associated to and look at their schedule, sign up for new classes, anything that a member typically would. The nice thing about this is you can use it both to sign up for classes if you're actually attending yourself, or you could use it as a testing option. It's going to give you all the standard features that your members are going to see and all the options that they have. And so now we'll switch again. This time we're going to go to an instructor or trainer. And when we come here, you notice that it's pretty similar to being logged in as a facility, but it has slightly less options because you have slightly less responsibilities as an instructor. You're going to be able to see the schedule. You can look at your portion of the schedule of just your classes coming up. You can also edit the classes that you're associated to in some capacity. And you can also view your page and edit your page's information. So that way, as an instructor, you can keep your profile very relevant and keep it up to date at your leisure. And that's what you're going to be able to do as an instructor. The trainer and instructor are both the same right now. In the future, that might change, but can't give it away quite yet. And now, finally, we're going to go into our 4th view, which is front desk staff. This is relatively unique to competitors. It's very, very helpful. So if you have a person that's working the front desk or someone at your welcome center and they have members that come to them and they want to be signed up, but they don't necessarily want to sign themselves up, whether they're not technically savvy or they just don't have time for it that day, this gives your front desk the option to go ahead and log them in by inputting their name in the class that they want to attend. As a front desk member, they can also view the schedule to answer questions or something similar, and they can also look at class statistics to see how many people are attending different classes and how the classes are going. And they also have some limited capacity to interact with members and go ahead and look at your member list. And so that's the last way to log in, and those are how you go ahead and log in. And so we're going to go ahead and log out and call it a day.